Elevate your real estate profile by strategically moving valuable client feedback from RateMyAgent directly onto your Zillow Premier Agent profile. Zillow is a pivotal platform for homebuyers, making your reviews here crucial for visibility and trust. Centralizing your stellar feedback maximizes your online reputation and helps attract more qualified leads. First, log into your RateMyAgent account, navigate to your dashboard, and locate the My Reviews section to access all your collected client testimonials. Now, carefully browse through your reviews, select those that best showcase your expertise, communication, and client satisfaction. Prioritize specific, positive details for maximum impact. For each chosen review, copy the entire text. While no direct automated transfer exists, you'll leverage this content to streamline the process for your past clients. Store them for easy access. The most effective method is to politely ask your past clients to repost their existing review on Zillow. Send a personalized message with their original RateMyAgent review text and a direct link to your Zillow profile's review submission page. Remind them it's quick and easy to simply copy and paste. By guiding your clients to transfer their fantastic feedback, you significantly enhance your Zillow presence, building trust and attracting more future business. Unlock massive credibility.